Self-love warning. If your TC business falls apart the moment you step away, you are not a CEO. You are an overworked admin with nicer stationery. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop being the doer of all things and start running your business like a CEO with systems, strategy, and yes, AI tools that make you the partner agents can live without. I see a lot of TCs start as doers. They chase every email. They write the same just checking in message 14 times. They spend Saturday night hunting for that one addendum sign in blue ink and bury it in their inbox. And they tell themselves this is business ownership. But if your business only works when you are chained to it, you don't own a business. You own a stressful job disguised as freedom. So how do you escape the trap? Well, you stop asking, how do I get this done? And start asking, how should this get done? And should it even be me? Try this right now. Write down the one thing you did this week that absolutely require your judgment and expertise. Now, look at everything else you touch. The difference? That's CEO work versus admin work. If that exercise just made you realize you've been running a hamster wheel, hit like. It tells me I am not the only one who's lived that life. Doers repeat themselves. CEOs build repeatable systems. Here's how to shift. Use listed kit or dog jacket. They use AI to scan and pull deadlines and information out of the contract instantly. Maybe create a Zapier workflow if your task management software doesn't support that, where an agent fills out your intake form and then it creates the file folder, task list, and even sends the welcome email automatically. Build email templates in Gmail or Outlook, inspection reminders, appraisal updates, closing prep. Customize once, use forever. And if you're a doer admin trying to launch your TC business, then join my free webinar. I touch bases on the 3 principles on how to launch your TC business without endless research. The link will be included below. So admins take whatever is handed to them. CEOs design their own rules. And for TCs, that looks like setting up expectations and boundaries upfront, like communication, hours of operations, scope of work, and even boundaries on what your role entitles and what you are able or willing to do or not. And then there is the structure: LLCs, sole proprietors, EINs, separate bank accounts, business insurance. That's not boring paperwork. That's the difference between running a hustle or running a business. Doers charge per file and hope for volume. CEOs package services strategically. So here is something you can try tomorrow. Offer 3 different tiers: basic coordination, plus package with white glove touches, and a premium package that includes everything plus marketing. Most agents pick the middle one, which raises your average fee without you fighting for every dollar. And if you're already sketching out what would go in each tier, subscribe. Otherwise, YouTube will bury this channel under cooking hacks and those won't raise your rates. Admins sit and wait for referrals. CEOs create opportunity. Here's how without cold calling, of course. Record a 2-minute Loom video answering the top 3 questions agents ask you all the time. Drop the transcript into ChatGPT or Claude and turn it into a LinkedIn post, a blog, and an email. 1 video, 3 ways to get in front of your dream clients. That's leverage. That's CEO marketing. Even if you are solo today, CEOs plan ahead. Start by writing down every step you take to open a file. That document is your basic training manual. So when you hire a VA or bring another TC, you don't waste weeks explaining. You hand them the playbook. And hear me loud and clear, scaling doesn't mean building an empire. It means protecting your time for the decisions only you can make. Admins panic a tax season. CEOs track monthly, so there is no surprises. Use QuickBooks with AI categorization or way to see where your money is actually going. Do your homework and look at client profitability reports. If a $350 file is costing you $500 in hidden hours, that's not client, that's charity. CEO move, keep the numbers in front of you and don't be afraid to let go of clients who aren't profitable. Admins blend in. CEOs stand out. Your brand is what agents say about you when you are not in the room. So, do they say she sends reminders fast, or do they say she saves deals and keep clients calm? That's brand, and it's what lets you command higher fees and attract agents you actually want to work with. If you've ever had an agent tell you, I don't know how I'd survive without you, that's brand. Drop a comment and share your best compliment. I love to hear that. And now let's talk about what's next. The TC role is evolving fast. AI is reading contracts now. Blockchain smart contracts are starting to enter transactions. More agents expect TC to support communication and even lightweight marketing. And the CEO are the ones who adapt first. So test one tool this month. Canva AI for marketing, Zapier for automation, make.com for advanced workflows. Experiment early. That's how you stay ahead. And if you love future-proof strategies like this, drop a comment telling me what AI tool do you want me to test next. The doers ask, what's on my to-do list? The CEO asks, what kind of business am I building? Every workflow you automate, every policy you enforce, every client you choose intentionally, that's you stepping out of the admin seat and into the CEO chair. And since we are talking about intentional clients, let's get real. Not every agent is a good fit. The CEOs attract the ones who respect their system. If you want to learn how TCs attract premium agents, check this video right here.